Hello friends, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to talk about quality assurance, that is software testing or manual testing. Okay, so we are going to talk on this topic. What do you need to know to be a manual tester? What knowledge you need? What you should know if you want to be a manual tester or QA, or you can say software test analyst. Okay, so you will need at least this much knowledge. Okay, so you need to know what is a test case, what is a test plan, okay, what is a requirement. Okay, requirement is also called story, so you can let me mention here user story. Okay, what is a defect. Okay, so you need to have this much knowledge: what is test case and how to write test case, what is a test plan and what information the test plan has, what is a requirement. Okay, and we write test case from requirement, so you need to understand that. And what is a defect? If a test case fails, then we need to log a defect. So how we can log a defect? What information we include in a defect? We should know that. Okay. Similarly, you need to know test management tools. It is better to know one or two test management tools. Okay, like Jira, Jama, Quality Center, QC, ALM. Okay, these are some test management tools. If you know one or two tools in the beginning, that will be helpful. And you need to know defect management tools. If you know at least one or two tools, that will be helpful. Okay, so we create defect in the defect management tool, and we create test case in the test management tool. Okay, not only this, we use test management tool for lots of different purpose, whereas the defect management tool is mainly used for managing the defects, like creating defects or creating defect reports or analyzing defects. Okay, so for that purpose we use defect management tools. Okay, like Jira is also one defect management tool. And you should know Microsoft Word. This is very common but very important tool, so you need to know Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel. Okay, this is also very important and but very simple but very important tool. And sometimes we use Microsoft Excel as a test management tool as well as defect management tool. Okay, and beside this, there are some other tools in testing which, if you know, it will be very helpful. Nowadays many projects require these tools or knowledge. Okay, so they are: what is Agile methodology? Okay, it is very common nowadays. Okay, so it will be very helpful if you know this. Okay, and SQL or database. Okay, this is also very common nowadays, and it will be very helpful if you know this. If you know SQL, database, and API testing, this is also very common nowadays, and it will be very helpful if you know this tool. Okay, so we use Postman. That is a tool for API testing. Postman is one of the most popular tool these days for API testing. Okay, so that is all in this video. This is a short video. In this video, my intention is to introduce you the software testing job or the QA job. These are the basic things you need to know if you want to be a software tester. To know more about these things, you can visit my webpage technicalpage.net, or you can find them online. There are so many good online resources. So these are the basic things you will need to know. Okay, but there will be more other things also depending on the project. If you are interested in software testing, you can take this video as a reference. I hope this video will be helpful to you in your learning of software testing, or if you are already in the testing job, then to enhance your testing knowledge. Thank you for watching this video.